Hi there, I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. Today I'm working on this 2014 Ram pickup. The damage on this pickup was located on the left side above the gas filler area. We were able to take this damage out using the Paintless Dent Repair method, so stay tuned to look at the after results. Here we are, just taking a look at the finished results here. We were able to get this damage out using the Paintless Dent Repair method, where we use a combination of glue pulling, where we glue a tab to the car and pull on the metal, or using specialized tools to push the damage out as well. So if you've got similar damage in your car, feel free to give us a call at 605-595-4061. We look forward to hearing from you, and thank you for watching this video.